My name is Nina.
And I'm Giovanna, and we are from Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Right now we are in China, in Xi'an, in Lantian County, Jiaodai Town.
The Chinese Spring Festival is coming,
There are a lot of people here.
and everyone is welcome to come.
Let's see what interesting things there are.
369脚带走。
You can see everyone is preparing for Chinese Spring Festival, and there is a lot of delicious food.
Oh 这是咱们陕西的特产，是土豆做的，叫洋芋糍粑，一炸就筋道的，好吃嘛。
炸带兰鱼蓉 so tasty and delicious. Do you know this is the first time I eat Jiaodai beef noodles?
Really? Me too.
Oh, congratulations! Isn't it very interesting that in China we also eat bread? Like in our country, when we eat, we always eat bread. As you can see, everyone are in a good mood.
And we can feel a holiday spirit in the air.
Yeah.
新春大吉，恭喜生！
新春大吉，
鸿运鸿运。
可以尝一下，好，谢谢。干杯！
面粉品尝了啊，高粱罐头酒，面粉品尝，
非常非常好喝。
自己家做的。
As it turns out, the atmosphere for Spring Festival in rural China is very lively.
接地气 We can feel Chinese culture and try Chinese food everywhere.
新春大吉，红运开。What I remember the most is definitely the beef and New Year's couplets.
Honestly, if I had a chance, I would like to bring my family here to experience this amazing atmosphere.
Definitely.